What up, what up? So we are at Nate's today again, and we are going to be putting some Lambo doors on the car. So Nate had this Veilside Z that he got off of somebody. Technically Nate and James, they went in together on it, but it's a Veilside car and it has Lambo doors and I want them for my car. So I purchased the hinges off of James, and that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be putting these Lambo doors on. So here is the Veilside car. Here it is. It's fully molded. It's a terrible car. It looks like shit, but Lambo doors. Yes. Now, they're not the best hinges, but they're still cool. So, they're not the best hinges. They're kind of cheap, but I don't care. It'll make the car look cool. So, I'm going to do it. But, yeah, so I'm going to start pulling this off, and that way we can transfer it over to my car. Yeah. Okay, so I got the hinges off the Veilside car. Now I've got to come in here to my car and pull the hinges off of this one. So yeah, I mean, that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I'm gonna set you guys back down.
In a city, still so far from home. I've searched for you all my life. Cast out like a shadow, racing towards the light. I pray to see you one more time.
Alright, door's all taped up, so now I can start actually unbolting more.
Through the dark, stand by, watch me fall apart. I've always loved you more than you know. Father, don't you let me go.
Let's go ahead and move on to the other side. I'm gonna have to get some help because I gotta be able to lift that door up and move the hinge so that I can bolt it to the car. So yeah, let's go to the other side.
Satellites. When I'm home,
okay, so we got both the hinges on the doors, but since they have these hydraulics in them, whenever you take them off, they poke out and you can't get them back down. So I'm gonna have to lift the door up, that way I can bolt these in. So yeah, we're about to do that now. And yeah, put you guys back down. I'd choose the SR over an LS.
That's just straight. That's my only thing is, like, if you throw a turbo onto it, why would you pick a motor that makes less power than an LS?
Well, no, because it sounds cool and it's different.
It threaded in the beginning.
Dun, dun, dun. What up, what up? So I am back in my house. I did not record an outro for this. I'm sorry. So the hinges are amazing. We did run into a hiccup. Apparently the driver's side strut is bad. It is leaking. So I'm gonna have to reach out to the company and get with them on getting me a new strut. But in the meantime, if I lift the door up and I actually move it up and down a few times, build some pressure up in the strut, it will hold the door up. It's just I have a full panel OEM, still got the glass in the door, so the door is actually fairly heavy. But I'm gonna get a new strut and it'll be all fly, but I cannot complain one bit, especially for the price I paid for the hinges. So I hope you guys liked it. I surely did. I cannot wait to see it with the car all in one piece. But as of now, that's it for this one, guys. I greatly appreciate it. Stay lost, my friends.
So strong enough.